Today, we're talking about a brand new tool from Google that's making big waves. Google Flow. This isn't just another AI tool. It could completely reshape how we create videos, films, and digital content. Unveiled during Google I/O 2025, Google Flow is an AI-powered creative studio that lets users generate cinematic video content using natural language prompts or reference images. Think of it like ChatGPT meets Final Cut Pro, but with zero need for technical skills. It's a seamless blend of Google's most advanced AI models, VO3 for video, Imagen 4 for visuals, and Gemini 1.5 Pro for narrative intelligence. Let's break down the core AI models powering Flow. VO3 generates high-resolution dynamic video clips with accurate physics, lighting, and camera motion. It's designed for cinematic storytelling and can simulate everything from nature shots to action scenes. Imagen 4 is responsible for hyper-realistic image generation, great for set pieces, textures, or visual elements. Gemini AI ties it all together, interpreting your prompts, writing scripts, crafting dialogues, and helping with storytelling structure. These models work collaboratively, turning your creative ideas into fully realized scenes. And it all happens in the cloud, directly in your browser. So, what exactly can Google Flow do? Here are the standout features. Text-to-video generation. Type in something like, "A rainy Tokyo street at night," and Flow generates a 10-second cinematic clip, complete with atmosphere, lighting, and motion. Voice and dialogue scripting. Gemini can write and even voice characters using Google's advanced text-to-speech tech, with multiple tones and emotions. Scene Builder. Build an entire storyboard. Add scenes, transitions, change camera angles, or switch lighting, all with simple commands. Audio layering. Automatically adds sound effects, background score, and ambient sounds that match the tone and pacing of your scene. Multimodal editing. You can give it image prompts, sketches, or even video references to guide the AI's output. This isn't just a content tool, it's a full creative assistant. Some creators have already started experimenting with Flow during its early access phase. Indie filmmakers have used it to create short experimental films, complete with dialogue and narration. Educators are using it to make animated explainer videos. Social media creators are building reels, music videos, and intros in minutes. Game developers are prototyping cutscenes without hiring full animation teams. It's making high-end storytelling tools accessible to creators of all levels, from YouTubers to professionals in the film industry. You might be thinking, wait, this sounds like OpenAI's Sora or Runway ML. Good question. Here's what sets Flow apart. Google Flow is built with real-time interactive editing, not just prompt-based generation. It integrates multiple models into one cohesive workflow. You're not jumping between platforms. And most importantly, it's backed by Google's massive computing infrastructure, which means faster processing and scalability for professional use. While other tools are impressive, Flow is aiming to be an all-in-one production suite. Now, it's not perfect. Flow is still in beta, and currently only available through Google's AI Studio for Pro and Ultra-tier users. There are limitations on video length, resolution, and style consistency. But Google has hinted that updates are rolling out fast. Google Flow isn't just about video. It's a glimpse into the future of creative AI tools, ones that merge language, visuals, and interaction in one space. As models like Gemini continue to evolve, tools like Flow could lead to a world where solo creators make Netflix-level content from a laptop. But beyond the tech, there's a deeper shift happening. Google Flow is part of a growing movement, the democratization of storytelling. We're moving into a future where creativity isn't gated by budgets, teams, or software skills. If you have an idea, a vision, even just a sentence, AI can help you bring it to life. And it's not just about ease, it's about empowerment. Students can visualize history lessons, small businesses can launch polished ads, indie creators can finally produce their dream short film. AI, like Flow, doesn't just automate, it amplifies human imagination. I'd love to hear from you. What would you create with Google Flow? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And if this kind of content excites you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more deep dives on cutting-edge AI tools coming every week. In the next video, we'll be comparing Google Flow versus OpenAI Sora, two AI giants going head-to-head in the world of video creation. You don't want to miss that one. Thanks so much for watching. You've been amazing. And this was Google Flow, the future of filmmaking powered by AI. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.